Hi, and welcome back to the north of Italy. I am Danilo Romolini, and today we are in the gorgeous Lake Iseo, by the feet of the Italian Alps and right in front of the gorgeous island of Monte Isola. We are about to discover an incredible 16th century manor villa with its own stunning botanic garden. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. This villa has become famous over the years thanks to one of its previous owners. In fact, one of them was the famous botanic and agronomist Luigi Fenaroli, who gave life to this place by working and putting his love into the stunning botanic garden of this property. This incredible park is the testimony of the studies of Fenaroli. In fact, he planted here plants like bamboo, camphor, giant redwood, and ginkgo biloba. These are species that before Fenaroli were not found anywhere else in the whole Lombardy region. Fenaroli chose this place because of its special characteristics. One of them being this natural spring of water flowing down from the mountain all the way through these incredible sloped terraces that create this stunning microclimate typical of Lake Iseo. All of these characteristics were crucial for the realization of what today is among the most important botanic gardens of northern Italy. Let's now have a walk together through this incredible garden. The property is surrounded by about 2.1 hectares of land, most of which is covered by this incredible terraced garden, made up of many little corners of paradise. In fact, as we walk around, you realize that on each one of these terraces, there is a unique view of the nature surrounding it. And walking through the garden, you're always accompanied by the sound of the flowing water, the chirping of the birds, and of course, the stunning, glittering water of Lake Iseo. Adesso vorrei farvi conoscere Mario, che è stato il custode e giardiniere della villa per oltre 40 anni. Mario, buongiorno. Qual è la più grande soddisfazione che dà custodire un giardino del genere?
Di arrivare la mattina e vedi tutto bello fiorito, dopo tanto lavoro vai a casa la sera, sei riposato perché la soddisfazione che hai avuto nel giardino, così anche se sei stanco, però ti rilassi.
Sì. Dà una grandissima soddisfazione. Adesso continuiamo e vediamo il resto della proprietà. Ciao Mario.
Saluti.
Now that we've met Mario, let me show you this cute corner in the garden, which is dedicated to kiwi plants. Fenaroli, in fact, through his studies and all of his trips all around the world, he collected many plants and brought them back to Italy. Kiwi was one of them, but there are many others like red potatoes and corn. Today, Italy is the second top producer of kiwi after China all over the world. All of that is thanks to Fenaroli. Have a look at this incredible tree trunk of this kiwi plant. It's nearly 100 years old. In terms of buildings, the estate is divided into the main villa, which is 1,185 square meters. Then there is another building attached to the main villa, which has its own independent access and is divided into 3 apartments. It also has a garage. Then on top of the estate, there is a building that needs to be restored, but it is in an incredible panoramic position and is currently used as a barn. Now that we're done seeing all of the external spaces, let's go inside. As we walk inside, we straight away get to this staircase that connects the 3 floors of the villa. Right behind me, if you keep going, you also find another entrance that brings you to the back garden. And on my left, we find the kitchen with the original fireplace that needs to be restored. And instead, on my right, we get to this beautiful dining room with these incredible vaulted ceilings completely covered with perfectly preserved frescoes. This room, just like all of the other rooms that we're about to see, is connected to this beautiful winter garden that is perfect to enjoy the sun during the colder days. Right beside the dining room, we find this room dedicated to this incredible billiard table to play with your friends and family. Whereas through this door, we get to the 3rd room, which would be the music room with a beautiful piano. On the 1st floor, we find all of the bedrooms. At the moment, they are 4, but by converting some studios into bedrooms, they could be turned into 6. There is one on my right. And if we keep going through this corridor, we find on my left a studio. And on my right, another one. Let me show it to you. This was the original studio of Luigi Fenaroli, and it is divided into 2 parts. The entrance room over there, and right here where I'm standing, there is what is the library, which has a view on Lake Iseo, and is also connected on my left to the kitchen and corridor, and on my right to a living space. Through this door, we get to the end of the corridor with 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. On this wing of the villa, we have what is probably my favorite room. In fact, have a look at this living space. It is full of light thanks to all of these windows. Here you can sit down, enjoy a cup of coffee in front of this incredible view of Lake Iseo. We've now gotten to the end of today's property tour, which I would like to finish on this beautiful balcony facing the water. It's been a beautiful day and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I also hope to see you next time. Ciao!